Welcome back to my channel. My name is Yegane and today I'm here with a special nostalgia for you. Paint something that I'm sure that all of you are interested in. A cartoon character that all of us watched when we were so young and tiny. This is 3D printed statue that it's been printed with resin printer, so it's a little bit different with filaments. And I want to paint this statue. There is a lot of items that I'm gonna assemble after that. So I have got some colors, like always, some brush. I'm gonna use today these colors, this brand. All of my painting will be in these specific colors for the 3D printed statue and any object that you do. These colors are the best for now. So we're gonna start. So I'm gonna start with the skin color. I'll use the color of Pale Flash. It's the name of the color. And I'll put the skin colors on the face and the two hands. Because I need to put another layer, maybe 2 or 3 times, so I need time to be dry. Probably it needs to be done again 2 or 3 times. Between that times that I put the layers, I'll dry it with a hair dryer sometimes, and I just need to be the color so smooth and goes well. So it depends on your texture, how many times you want to use the color, how many layers you want to do. But you have to be sure that the last layer it's dried well, because if it's not dried, then after that you can see the color peel off. I just search and find the picture of Anne, so I was trying to do something like the picture that I had. In my picture, the hat, the feet, umbrella, they're all black. So I'm gonna start to do it, the base color, that seems like a rock stone. And it's a rainy day, so I just want to put some gray color and field of draining water under it. So I'm trying to do something like more natural and have more details with the gray and black color. Okay, I think it's enough, so we can go to the next part. Now I just need to start for some lines on the face. So I need to put white on eyes because I want to make the base of the eyes. so I need time to be dry again, because I need to do some more time, 2 or 3 times for the eyes, eyebrows, and inside all the details. Because the hair color of Anna is orange, I need to draw the eyebrow also in same color. To be honest, I didn't like the eyes color. I didn't have gray or like something close to the gray color for the eyes. And the eyes was, I think, gray something, not so blue, like sky blue or Russian blue. But I didn't have that color, so I had to put this blue. It's not bad finally. Well, I'll go for next for clothes that it's all brown something. I like this color because it's remind me of this cartoon in that time, so I like this color to do. For the bag, that she has, I was thinking about some color that it's mixed with brown and somehow like red, but I didn't have this color, so I was trying to mix some colors together to get that color that I want exactly, and finally I like the result. So I'm going to the last part of fixing the color and drying them to get ready, because it should be dry well for gluing and assembling all together. So I'm checking the color, everything is fine and all the colors are set. The last part is the hair, the special color of the hair that we all like that. So guys, I finished painting and I have all of the parts ready. So now I want to glue them, all of the parts together, and I love it. Look at the details. I think I spent 3 hours, maybe more, I don't know what time is it, to paint them. So now I'm gonna glue them together and I'll put the final result. If you have a 3D printer at home and you want to try it, I'll put the link of free download of this design in my description, so you can go and download it free and you can try it and paint it with me, like me. You can change any color that you want, but this character, Anne, I was thinking that this is the time for this nostalgia for us, because it's autumn and it's remind us the school and this character, the cartoon and everything, like together. It was a different feeling for me to have it and to paint this one. I hope that you enjoy also. And if you try this one, like if you print it and paint it, please send it to me, so I'll put in my next videos your works. You can send it in my Instagram, so I can see them. Thank you for watching my video until the end. I hope that you enjoy it. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe my channel if you didn't subscribe yet, and wait for next video. I'll see you in next video. Bye.